Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today I just wanted to bring you guys a quick separate video on how I obtain this eye look here. Super sleek, super sexy, love this. This is like going to be my favorite summer eye look, I think. If you want to see how I get this look, this video is going to be only the eyes. If you want to see how I get the face, that'll be a whole other video, but I'm going to be talking more in that video, so that's why I wanted to do the eyes separately, so I could really focus on the detail. But yeah, before we jump into the eye tutorial for the day, don't forget to go ahead and click that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and then go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All of that is _ it's Gilly, and I'll see you guys you know, in the tutorial. Come on, let's go. Let's get started. Alrighty, so now that we've got our eyelids prepped, primed, ready to go, I'm going to be playing around with a bunch of different palettes today to kind of achieve the look that I have in mind. I want it to be soft, but still very, very glamorous per usual. You guys know I love a lot of glam, so that's kind of what we're going to be aiming for today. I have this Morphe palette here. This is an oldie but goodie. This is the 35A palette, or 3502 Second Nature palette. Super gorgeous. Haven't used this in a minute, but I'm going to be playing around with some of these, like, you know, neutral tones in here. I also have the KKW Classic Blossom palette. I am definitely going to be playing around with these lighter shades for the lid. And then I have, as a backup palette, the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. Really, really love this palette. This is super, super gorgeous. But yeah, let's get started, guys. Okay, so taking my Morphe M504 brush, I'm going to be going into the Morphe palette, and I'm going to jump into this really gorgeous shade called Flux. It's this shade here. Be sure to tap off any excess, and let's get started. This is just going to be like our pretty transition color. And I do tap my color in because I have hooded eyes. I like lift my brows, as you guys can see, so that I can get the perfect application exactly where I want it to be. This is a beautiful shade. Super lovely for like something like this. So next we're going to go in with a slightly smaller fluffy brush. This is going to be my Morphe M505, and I'm just going to dip into this really pretty shade called Chestnut. It's this shade here. And I bring that all the way into the inner corner of my eye as well. We're going to slowly build this shade up. Be sure to keep a light, you know, hand wrist motion. Don't jam your eye or anything like that. And then I'm going to go in with this shade Orb to blend those two shades together on the original brush. So next, taking a very smaller sized fluffy brush. This one is from Real Techniques. No idea which number. I've had it so long it's kind of erased away. I'm going to go into this shade in that Morphe palette called Rich. It's this one here. I'm just going to use it to deepen our crease a little bit, add a little bit more definition to that area. so I am going to take my P. Louise base. This is in the shade Rumor 4. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand like this, just a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease into a half cut crease. Y'all know that's my favorite kind of cut crease. So, you know I have a mini-er in a minute, but some things never change, unfortunately. So we're just going to take a nice small brush. This one is also from Real Techniques. It's a flat brush. Love this sort of brush to cut out my crease. And of course, because I have hooded eyes, we're going to go a little bit above our natural fold. So if I look at you, see this fold here, I'm going to be like above it because we're trying to give you the illusion of bigger eyelids that we so desperately wish we had. Boom, now we fill it in. Okay, so now jumping into our KKW palette, I am going to be taking these two shades here to build them onto the lid. This one's going to be in the outer part back here, and this one's going to be in the front inner corner. And I am using a Morphe M167 flat top brush, or brush like this, sorry, to do this. Then I just take that small brush from earlier before and I go in on the outer corner just to bring back some of that color and blend everything in together like this. Now I'm going to be taking one of my little Stila eyeshadow glitter thingies. This one's in the shade Kitten. Y'all remember these throwbacks. And I'm going to use it to do a little bit of a glitter liner, just kind of like above that area. And then I'm going to be using my Suva Beauty eyeliner to do just like a black liner. Maybe a wing, not sure yet. Lashes are on. Also obsessed with these lashes. I got like a huge pack from Amazon. If I have the link, I will try to put it down below because you've got to get these lashes. They're super big, super fluffy, but like super lightweight. The band isn't too thick. These are really like just some amazing lashes. Okay, so I just wanted to come back and I just wanted to wrap up our under eye area. I'm going in with a black eyeliner. This one is from Huda Beauty. This is her whatever life liner, you know this one. Put that in my waterline. And then I'm just gonna take this little small Morphe E36 brush with that shade Rich and blend that under my waterline. Okay guys, so this is the final look for the eyes. Super fun. I really hope this tutorial was helpful. I tried to be as detailed as possible with the way that I do my eyes because you know I do have hooded eyes, so I want to help out my hooded girls out there with their eyes, hooded eyes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Before we leave, I'm just gonna ask you one little thing. Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All of that is _it's Gillyy, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.